Hey everyone, my name is Ari Shah, and today, as you can tell from my shirt, we're going to be talking about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. What is the hype around NFTs and what has become of the cryptocurrency space? Are NFTs a hype thing that's going to go away, or are NFTs here to stay? Well, today we're going to be covering all of those things. So if you find this information valuable, click that bell button so you get notified when we drop these videos. We drop 1 to 4 videos a day, and smash that like button so more people see this video. But guys, when we talk about NFTs, it has taken the ecosystem by storm. We're talking about Bitcoin came into the ecosystem. Ethereum became the oil of the space. dApp started building around it, and we got the hype of decentralized finance. And into this bull run, there's something known as NFTs, non-fungible tokens. This has taken everyone by storm. It has created an entire new ecosystem. And now, when we used to think artists and painters had no job or didn't make a good income, they look like they're on the real come up. And the people that have dedicated their time to their craft, such as Beeple, have set all-time record highs that cannot be ignored of selling a piece for $69 million. That is insane. For me, the NFT journey began with, well, of course, everyone knows CryptoPunks, but for me, it began with NBA Top Shot. These digital highlight collectibles. This was the moment everything clicked to me. When I saw two of my passions hit one, cryptocurrency and basketball went into one, it made so much sense. It reminded me of my childhood, how I had Pokemon cards, how I had Yu-Gi-Oh cards, how I had first series cards, except you know what the difference was? I don't have to go get them graded or figure out how much they're worth. It's all on the blockchain. You combine blockchain and you put the IP of the NBA behind it, and you have a massive monster of a platform. And we're just talking about beta version. NBA Top Shot only had Tyler Hero of last year, who was on the NBA Finals for the Miami Heat. Since then, NBA players have been buying their own collectibles, and now packs sell out immediately. It's almost impossible to get a pack unless it's a pre-order now. But if you're one of those people that were buying back in September and October, you're probably up a few $100,000. Same thing happened with Omi Vivi. We talked about Omi Vivi when it was at 1/10 of a cent. We looked at the platform, we downloaded the app, and we saw Batman, we saw Harley Quinn, we saw Adventure Time. We saw Alfred Khan as the head of licensing, and we said, this is going to be money. No one else thought that. I don't know what they were thinking. I don't know how they missed it. I think it's because they had no venture backing, so nobody went towards them. But if you saw the IP, it became clear that they're going to do absolutely amazing. You cannot ignore Batman. You cannot ignore Cartoon Network. You cannot ignore that type of backing. They have Back to the Future. People are speculating that Pokemon is coming because Alfred Khan brought Pokemon outside of Japan. You can say clickbait, you can say rumors, you can say whatever, but you have to take speculation into account. The rumor really pushes cryptocurrencies. And when you can find a low cap gem with a strong project, great marketing, that is where you want to be. We see all the cryptocurrencies now adjust for NFTs. These non-fungible tokens can't be ignored. Cardano's adjusting their platform. Ethereum created the NFT craze. And now I don't think that it's going to disappear. Yes, if we go in a bear market, 90% of NFTs will also go into the bear market, but I don't think NBA Top Shot first series LeBron James is going anywhere. And I don't think Batman first series on VV is going anywhere. When we talk about cryptocurrencies, NFTs has become a space where billionaires pour their money. When we get taxed like real estate, there's something called a 1031 exchange. And people can roll over their profits from cryptocurrencies into an asset such as an NFT. So imagine I made $1 million and I avoided taxes because I bought a LeBron James first series highlight collectible. It's going to appreciate over time. I'm going to save majority of my money. And that is just the power of what an NFT is, because every transaction is accounted for. You can see when it was bought. That being said, you'll go into platforms like OpenSea and people will buy their own artwork to give it value to put that transaction on board, and then someone else buys that artwork. That's where I believe no IP, it's going down the drain, you know? But we'll see, guys. Let me know below in the comments what you think. Do you think NFTs are here to stay? Do you think they're going to the ground? And what do you think the possibilities are? We talk about music NFTs, sports. Gucci has talked about bringing NFTs to the space. Imagine if you bought a Louis Vuitton purse, 1 of 15, and they gave you an NFT collectible saying you had 1 of 15. The price goes up exponentially because what? These are all just brands on the blockchain. Bitcoin is a brand on the blockchain. Ethereum is a brand on the blockchain. Which brand will succeed? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for sharing your time with me. Nothing's more valuable than your time, except your money. So I'll see you next time with some more gems.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now.